Welcome to the System Design for Beginners course. I'm excited to help you with a solid understanding of how scalable systems work, and more importantly, how to actually design them. System design is one of the most important skills for back-end and software engineering roles, especially when you're preparing for system design interviews. So let's take a look at what we will cover. The entire course is built around one social media application. We won't learn system design concept in isolation like many other courses. Instead, we will start with a simple application running on a single server, then scale it step by step as our user base grows and new challenges arise. We will start with the fundamentals, what system design actually means, how to define functional and non-functional requirements, networking basics, and the client-server model. Then we will see what happens when our single server can no longer handle the traffic. That's where horizontal scaling, load balancers, and stateless application servers come in. Next, we will focus on databases. We will look at how to choose between SQL and NoSQL databases, how indexes improve database performance, and how replication and sharding help us scale our data as the application grows. We will also look at caching and understand why keeping frequently accessed data closer to the application can make a huge difference in performance. Throughout the course, we will keep building on the same social media application. Every new system design concept will be introduced when our application hits a bottleneck or a new challenge. So you will see exactly why we need it and how it solves the problem. And that's really the goal of this course. I don't want you to memorize a list of system design components. Instead, I want you to understand the problems that force us to introduce them, the trade-offs they bring, and how to decide whether you actually need them. By the end, you should be able to look at a system design problem and think about it the right way. So if you're ready to build your first scalable system, let's get started.